Welcome to our Factory Unlocked series by MPDV, where data meets delivery. Today we are showing you how MPDV solves the top 10 problems in US manufacturing. Pain point number 2, supply chain agility.
Remember when all you could find at the store was toilet paper and hand sanitizer? For manufacturers, that kind of supply chain chaos? It hits even harder. 1 minute, you're cruising, orders rolling out like clockwork, and in no time you're dead in the water, waiting on one critical part. But don't panic. MPDV's MES has your back. It gives you real-time visibility across your entire supply chain, from suppliers to the shop floor. That means fewer surprises, faster reactions, and smarter decisions. You'll spot disruptions before they hit, reroute your workflow flow, and keep production running smooth. And here's the real kicker. You can improve on delivery by up to 15%. Reduce excess inventory and slash your supply chain risk. That's not just agility, that's your competitive advantage.
Coming up next, pain point number 3, how to reduce unplanned downtime without losing your mind.